Hey y'all, Riley here. On today's thing, we're gonna get ready to take that on an inaugural trip out on the trails. So, in order to do that, I need to get this bad devil whipped into shape. So come with me for today's thing. So, this is a new to me trailer, not new at all, that somebody else had set up to do what they needed to do. And unfortunately, there's some things that don't work for what I needed to do. So, we're gonna have to make some modifications. First off, anybody that's towed a trailer knows that there's safety chains that hook from the trailer to your truck. Now, unfortunately for me, the last person who owned this had some nice safety chains installed. You see here. And they just don't reach where they have to go on the truck. Now I know what you're thinking. Man, they're close. You might be able to get it. But whenever you're towing a trailer, you got to remember that as you turn, one length is going to get longer, one length is going to get shorter. So you need to have some extra room in your chains. These ones, even if I was able to get it hooked up, it would just rip itself apart. So instead of farting around with this old chain, which looked like it had a long life, maybe a good life, maybe not, we're gonna go ahead and get us some shiny new chain. So what I'm gonna do, I'll hook it on there and I'm gonna stretch it out, let it get a little dip to it so we know that we got some extra chain. I'm probably going to keep it about 6 or 7 inches off the ground as it's sitting on fairly level surface right now. You always want to be too long.
That's what she said.
If you're too short, then you're screwed. You got to cut more chain, find some more, do it all over again. If it's too long, you throw a couple twists in it and there you go. You're not too long anymore. So, like I said, about 6 inches off the ground is what we're shooting for. So here we are with our new chain. You can see this chain here, it's got the nice retainer clip. That's good to have, not required. There's nothing wrong with this old dog right here. It does the job as long as it stays hooked. So we're gonna get this hooked to the truck and then do some measurements here and see how long we gotta cut it. So you can see there, we're about 6 inches off the ground. Like I said, it's always best to be a little bit long. You can always twist the chain or cross them or something like that. Don't want to cut it short. So now we're going to get our gratuitously large Sharpie marker, mark these links, and we'll take you over to the vise and cut them. There we are, ready to cut. Come on over to the vise. See here, we got her set up here in the vise. There's our mark. Now, is this the right vise? Probably not the best one, but it's the one we got and it's the one we're going to use. So, safety first, we're going to cut that chain off. Bam! Just like that. One down, one to go. There you go. Two, brand new, good looking lengths of chain. Let's go put them on the trailer. So, like I said, previous owner had this modified for himself. Luckily, he left me a nice Allen head bolt right here. So all we got to do is pop that out, catch the nut on the other side, and put our new length of chain in. Looks like the old 3/8 impact just ain't enough. That's okay. We got something bigger. Sit tight. All right, when in doubt, get a bigger impact. So, the old medium impact gun, not enough. So we're gonna have to go with old school shoulder power and see if we can't get this thing to come out of there. All right, one out, one to go. All right, here we are. As they say, out with the old and with the new. Here we are, finished product. New chain, got plenty of room, hooked up under the bumper. We're ready to tow. Thanks for joining us for today's thing.